Welcome to ETSolution. In this video we will see how to solve the problem for VL53L0X sensor. This is TOF sensor to measure the distance. So mostly we receive this error, fail to detect and initialize sensor. So how to solve this issue? Let's see. I take one code as an example. If you already installed the VL53L0X library, then you can find the example code here. Example, if you go here, you can find here some example codes. So in normal example, if I open the example code here, so you can see the code here. You need to do the small modification in the code to remove this error. Normally they give some here option. Long range, if you want to use the long range, then you need to use this long range function. If you want to use the high speed, then you need to use high speed, but I don't want to use high speed. I need high accuracy, so that's why I'm using the high accuracy. So in normal case, now my Arduino UNO is connected with my system here UNO. So if I upload, okay, uploading is done. So here I can see these values. Normally this error is not appearing every time. Mostly when you use in the project and when your power supply is unstable. There is some noise in your power supply, because I was using this in my project. When I use sensor in my project, that I get the big issue. Every time I was getting this message that the sensor is not detected. So how you need to solve? I just put delay here. When you put void setup, as you connect your system with the power, in the start, power supply or the voltage needs some time to get stable, some few millivolts. I put 50, you can put less, is also okay. But this delay is not the problem for your code, because this delay is not in the loop. It just delay one time when you start the system. So if you add the delay here, you can remove this error. So that's all done. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.